Got a new canopy. So, what'd you put this up, in the spring or something?
Last September.
Oh, last September, okay. So it's been up for a year now. It's so far been doing pretty good, right? Yeah. Now the old one, what was it? It just, the top was full of holes again or something? It was just, would have been time for a new top?
I don't remember. Like it was through the roof.
Yeah, it was getting tattered, I know that. Yeah, this is really nice. Yeah, it's true. This blends in nice. Hey, and this is rated for snow, right? Because of the shape of it?
Yes.
Yeah. So what is this, 10 by 20?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It just seems smaller because
yeah, so it's 10 feet wide at the bottom, right? Yeah. Looking good. So, what do we got in here?
So this has the planks from the old deck on the floor.
Nice, nice.
Tarp under them.
Yeah, hell of a lot better than. How were those?
Actually, it's the roof from the old canopy under them.
Oh.
You can see remnants of it.
Oh yeah, yeah. So, how was the old pallet and masonite floor in the old?
It was gone.
Oh, really?
The whole bottom side of the pallets was rotted beyond recognition.
Okay.
And every time you stepped in, your foot went through it.
Oh God. Yeah.
But it held up pretty good for the amount of garbage.
Now we put that canopy up in like 02 or 03, right?
Yeah, and the roof,
03 maybe.
The floor was redone, and like I want to say like.
Oh, we did a little bit of repair on it at some point.
I think after
right?
the roof collapsed in 2010, we redid the floor.
I don't think we redid it. No, I think we just patched the damaged areas. We might have replaced a couple of skids, but there was so much stuff.
Yeah.
Because remember we left all the stuff?
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah, I think we just repaired a couple of damaged areas. Oh, nice. You got some bins. Because we can't really.
Cans full of hoard.
Yeah, I mean obviously because of the shape of the walls, we can't have shelves or cabinets in here anymore. So those all had to go get 86. But
so, all the tractors that were in here are still in here. You could kind of see like.
Well, we got the 20. We got the 5000. I mean, is the GT 3000 in here?
Yeah, they're all in here.
What about the LT 4000?
That's over here in the back corner.
Oh.
The Super 12, I think, is in the middle. Gilson.
Cadillac grills. You got a tire machine here. Door panels. Yeah, there's the GT 3000 there.
And I added these vents to the top.
Oh yeah, did you have to cut these in?
Yes.
Nice.
So these are supposed to be thermally controlled, which I just bypassed it. So I'm
Yeah.
open all the time. This thing, when I first built it, had a huge problem with moisture in here.
Yeah, I remember that. It was insane. Like it was like somebody sprayed a freaking hose on the inside of the walls. Yeah. Yeah, but so how's this been?
It's been fine.
Yeah. Now when was it the moisture in here was the biggest problem? In the summer?
Fall.
In the fall. Well, how was it in the
right after I built it?
Yeah.
If you get a warm day like this,
yeah,
it'd be like it'd be humid in here. The ceiling would be dripping.
Oh. What the hell's this thing with the unistrut?
That's the engine support brace for the Sermon.
Oh yeah, you made one homemade, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Looking good. Looking good.
Yeah, probably needs to be going through again.
Yeah, probably. All right. Well, this is so. Last winter, did you have any real snow to test this thing out? Yeah. Okay.
I'm concerned about the snow load rating because when you build this thing,
Yeah.
all the legs are supposed to be bolted down to something.
Oh, to keep it from spreading out.
Yes. I was going to do that this year, but I didn't.
Yeah. Okay.
I was going to take the floor up and put boards underneath the floor.
Oh, going crossways.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'd probably be good for ventilation of the keep these boards from getting wet underneath. Huh. Well, we will see.
The reviews on this thing are pretty good. The weakest part of this cover is the cover itself.
Oh, really? Oh, great.
The replacement ones are heavier thickness than this thing.
Oh, you mean the standard cover it comes with is thinner
If you look,
than the
a
replacement?
year later, you can see where the stitches are, you can already see.
Yeah,
pinholes
I
in
can
it.
see light through them. Yeah.
Yeah.
How much is a
Also
replacement?
ran a
Wow.
hole here.
Well, how much does a replacement cover cost?
I think it's $100 or something.
Oh, that's not bad. I
No.
thought it'd be a lot more. So,
Got some pinholes in the roof starting.
what this whole thing set you back?
Had on sale at Tractor Supply. I think it was like $240 on sale.
That seems pretty good. I would have thought these things would be like $400.
But normally they are.
Ah,
You have to get them on sale. Well, this is the home. What the hell they call this one? The homestead or something.
oh, so what is it? A lower grade
the
than
lower grade. The good ones are like 6 and up.
Oh, they probably have thicker,
Yeah.
thicker call it gauge, thicker gauge piping,
This is definitely
tubing.
the cheap one.
Does it have a listed snow load or something, or
Something like that.
anybody have any personal like online
It's
reviewers
hard
or
to
something
say,
comment on?
The reviews are all over the place. You have people out in like snow country.
Yeah.
That have
Are those the
different-
tubes for the old
Yes.
canopy? Wow, they're pretty big diameter. I didn't realize
They're
that.
huge.
That's a lot smaller diameter than the little
Yeah,
the
it's
10
got
by
more
20 I
legs
have at
than
my
yours.
house. Yeah, that's right. It did, and they're bigger. Wow. Yeah. Yeah, it's a shame. Some
That's pretty good.
dead bush, live bush, dead bush. That's good.
I got under all the leaves here. They have slabs that come down. I threw 2x6s on them to keep the slabs going.
Oh, keep the wind from blowing them open or blowing them up. Yeah.
Leaves.
Yep.